Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. We have a lot of new content this week, a lot of useful stuff for beginner players. I'll share links in the description. If there are paid links, you can sign up for a free 3-day trial on accordionlive.com, but I think everything is free this week. Let's take a look. A student was having difficulty coordinating his hands together on the song Bella Ciao. I directed the student to the how-to guide to coordinating your hands on the accordion. This is a free resource with step-by-step instructions. Now, this week I recorded a video for the student and I made a similar video that's accessible to you here called How to Coordinate Both Hands with Bella Ciao as the example. And I walk through the steps in this guide with Bella Ciao. I think it's a really useful resource, especially if you're struggling with coordinating your hands, whether it's a tango, a waltz, a march. I think this is a really crucial resource. Next, I wanted to show that the February 2021 challenge, we have about 10 days left in the month, 9 days. Have a look at how other learners are doing the blues ending. Most of you are doing a much better job than me. There's still time to enter the challenge and have a look at how other people are doing the challenge. Another student emailed me. She'd finished the Palmer Hughes books and she's saying, where do I go next? I signed up for accordionlive.com. There are lots of lessons. I recorded a video called The Book is Done. Now what? Where do you go next once the simple songs in the book are done? So in this video, I show you, you can revisit those songs in the book with an understanding of chords and triads and arpeggios. So even though you're done the book, I'd encourage you to go back to those beginner songs, or if you're a beginner and just going through those songs, go through them with the understanding that you're getting from accordionlove.com, with the understandings of chords, melodies, arpeggios, and triads, and how to apply the 15 minutes of practice to those beginner books. So I'll share the link for this video in the description too. Lastly, we have a live stream this Sunday at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern. Come if you're new, come if you're an existing member. It would be nice to see you. We ask questions, I explain concepts, and obviously I play music. I hope you have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.